Alright, I'm gonna test this rocket I made. No, I didn't really make it. It was I just modified it, put a little flash in the top. I can't remember what brand it was. I think it was No Name Fireworks. Yeah, No Name Fireworks Space Force rockets. I put about 4 or 5 grams. I think it was like 4.7. So let's see if it even works. I just took the top out and, filled it up, so hopefully it'll work. Here we go. Well, shit, I guess that kind of worked. Not as planned, but it worked. All right, there you go.